Then life is a beautiful dream, life is a journey and all that. Seeing, smell, touch and taste. Okay, so this all goes in, okay, in its own way. So for some, it is taken more through visual.
So what about feeling?
Yeah, touch.
Okay.
Touch is feeling. Feel. Okay, and now, you all said whatever you said.
Oh, because that is light, I mean, you can use this.
Okay, they are not able to see?
Okay, we use it. Thank you.
This is visible, blue is visible.
Yeah, better.
Reality.
And one request. If anyone's mobile is on, just put it on silent or put it on whatever. Okay, so there is a world reality and you have your senses and all that is there happening around you is taken in through your senses. Right? Now each one is behaving differently. Like I asked you a question, what is life? Now there was someone who was saying experiences, someone who said life is whatever, life is a journey, a beautiful dream, a struggle or whatever. Each one said. And wherever you are or however you see, that's the way life presents itself. The situation presents itself. Now all that is taken and that goes into your senses. Now, as it goes in, it doesn't go in the way it is. Okay, so now even now, right now, if I ask you to look at the wall, there's someone who's going to look at the writing, there's someone who's going to look at the color, there's someone who's going to feel that coolness of the AC, and there's someone who's going to look at the skeleton, and each one is going to look at different things or feel differently. Or someone might be wondering why the plastic chairs, why not some other cushion chair, and that is each one's experience. Okay, though we are all in the same situation, the reality is same. But each one takes it differently through their senses. Got it? Now the way they take it, depending on what they're taking it, that is decided by what we call as the filters. Okay? Let me give you an example. What a filter is. Anyone having any idea what a filter is? Some idea what a filter is?
Means.
What is
Means.
relevant to us and what is relevant of present and shun what is nonsense. We filter it accordingly.
Yeah, but then we also take in all that is bad. We also take it. We don't throw away.
Mental.
That's how we avoid things and that's how we go towards it. Yeah.
There basically biases from our experience.
Biases from our experiences that are formed and then you become biased. Yeah. But initially, when you're born, were you having a bias?
No.
When you were born? Yeah, let me tell you. And what makes you think that there was a bias when you were born?
Because you always have these instinctive reactions that
Real.
that you don't know.
Real.
So those are actually biases that you don't know.
Yes. Okay. And then we could get into the past life. Yeah, that's how it is. Because otherwise it can't be explained. Because a child otherwise, that's what he say, otherwise the child is born without a bias.
Yes.
Because the child, if you are the mother and you give the child to the maid servant and go away for the next 3 years and the mother maid servant says, I am the mother, the child will call this maid servant the mother. And when you come back and you claim, you say, no, you are not my mother. So you have drawn a clean slate. The bias is formed because the child has been told, or the child has heard, or the child has experienced. The mother says, this man is your father, so the child says, okay, daddy. If the mother says, no, not this person, then the father changes.
She knows.
But that's all. So filters, see, basically the biases are formed later. Because everyone is born a clean slate. That's why the child is very okay with anyone, any situation, anywhere. Are you anywhere, any situation, anyhow, it's just completely okay. Because there is no bias. Even if you slap the child comes back. Because child doesn't come from, oh, this is bad, this is good. No. It just doesn't have, but then it develops. And that starts right from the time the child is born. Huh? Only by the age of 2, it is enhanced and then real filtering happens. And then the child says, no, I don't want this. No, I want it like this. No, this is how it should be. I want it. And then the real biases are crept in. And this happens between the age of 2 to... You have heard this. It keeps happening, but after that it gets fixed. 2 to 5. 2 to 8. 8. After that it keeps happening, as I said. Like right now also someone is 55. Okay, and there's a bad experience. After that the person says, I don't want this to happen again to me. So you are still coming from the situation. But from 2 to 8, everything that goes in, and after that the person is generally what he has or she has been in the age of 8. Even now, if you look at it, whatever you are, the way you are behaving is almost similar to what you were behaving at the age of 6. The way you sit, the way you get angry, what makes you happy is generally coming from that age, 2 to 8.
You mean to say the filter crystallizes in the age
By the age of
2 to...
By the age of 2. And then you can give it another name, you can also call it a belief system. So filters are nothing else but the belief systems. Belief systems. Okay, so we call it, now there are certain kinds of filters. Okay, it's like father. Okay, there's this father. The child is asking for something on a birthday. Okay, daddy is going to come in, and today is my birthday. Daddy is going to get me a new cycle. And the child is very excited. Cycle, cycle, cycle. The father has worked hard and all that, and the whole day struggled. He comes home and doesn't attend the birthday. He comes home very tired. And then the child says, Daddy, where's my cycle? Where's my cycle? And the father is already irritated because he had a long day. He just slaps the child. Shut up, whatever. Don't say I'm tired. Now, what is the decision the child makes? My father is
X.
huh?
X.
XXX. Triple X. But he doesn't make triple X. He says my father is a dictating person. My father doesn't love me.
Not trustworthy.
Not trustworthy. Very good. And each one has made a decision at that time. So if he gets slapped, she might say, my father is so and so. And if you get slapped, you will say, no, my father is not trustworthy. And each one makes a decision. And that's how you create a filter. I'm just giving you an example. And the same thing with your mother. And the same thing with your other people around you and the situation. Are you getting me? These are the filters. Now, the way you relate to one person, it might just get generalized. My father was a dictating person, so all the men in the world will always be authoritative and dictators. So whenever you get across, so even you go to office at the age of 28, you get a boss who's dictating. And they say, all men, I told you, all men are like this. Got it? This is how you create filters. Are you getting? This is called generalization. You generalize everything. One dog bites you at the age of 6, and after that you are scared of dogs. No, dogs, bad. Why? They bite. But I love dogs and they never bite. Nee, but somehow we don't judge the dog and me because they bite. Filter. This is called generalization.
The pattern of behavior is established.
Right. That's a filter. Now there are times when you say, okay, something happened and it wasn't good. So you say, okay, after this I don't want to be in this kind of situation. Are you getting me? I don't want to be in this kind of situation. So just delete. That's called another filter called deletion. You just delete what you don't like. Got it? And in life we keep deleting a lot of things. Right? Especially situations. My parents didn't have a good marriage. Marriage is deleted.
Kind of get hardwired.
Hardwired. Very true. Are you getting it, all of you now? That's again a filter. So the second filter is deletion. How many people love painting? Some of you? Okay, great. So now, when you paint, there's no reality to that. It's what's coming in your head. It's all fantasy. There's a complete distortion of reality. So if you draw a door, the door